Yes guys, this is my invention I made yesterday, and I was trying to suck some brake fluid out of a reservoir. So had a washer pump in the garage and I got it out, but it didn't work. But now I've got a BMW Z4 here that the washer pump isn't working on. So I'm going to see if I can dismantle this invention and test it with this, because I've already checked the fuse, which is inside of the interior of the car. It's fuse 48 underneath the glove box. It's tucked up right at the back. Well, that's what it says. It actually calls itself the headlight washer fuse, but usually they're the same power supply. Because this is the motor here. It's slightly different to what I got in my hand. Let's soon find out. Alright, so this is the fault code that I'm getting, JBE. So you need to check your JBE for faults with your washer pump. I've just plugged in mine, the other one is still in there. Let's see if I can get any noise. Really ain't trying to make any noise, man. What's happened? There's another pump down here as well, I didn't notice. So where's the fuse for that one? Where is the fuse for that one? Alright, so what I found so far is I've plugged in this one down there as well. I'm not too sure which one is the correct pump, but sometimes you need to have the bonnet shut for this stuff to work, you know. But this windscreen is not like a VW's one as such. Get some headway. I just want to show you guys something. This is the headlight washer. I need to pop the bonnet again. I've managed to activate the headlight washer, so now I can identify which pump is which. Because I've just sprayed the headlight washers. I don't know if it only worked when the bonnet was open or shut or not. So I'm gonna find out. The reason why I don't think the bonnet needs to be closed is because the wipers still work. So alright, so this pump is for the washers. So this pump is for the washer pump. So if I go back, screen washer pump, it's not working. So okay, we've got a problem there. I can't activate it. Okay, so I got my multimeter on. I'm gonna try and activate and see if I get a voltage. There is no washer pump for the rear window in this car, guys. Wiper stage 1. So I'll try to do something there. Might have. So no matter what I've done, I can't get 12 volts there. So I've either got a chafed wire, yeah, and it's shorted somewhere, or the JBE is playing up. So I'm trying to reset everything. in this computer. Trying to reset the control unit, and hopefully it can start sending power out again. Because I've even plugged in my test motor and it hasn't worked, and I can't get. I've had my probe on and off. Find a good earth again. Let's do this test one more time because this is frustrating. Alright, final test. Reset. Wow. So resetting the JBE got this thing working. So you see, no wiring jobs, nothing like that. Basically I went into my actuator. I went into here, reset. First I done a delete fault memory. After that I done reset control unit. And then I've got that. So basically I'm going to unplug my test motor now. Unplug the correct factory one back in and hopefully it works. Let's see if it's going to work, man. It's all plugged in. No, we need to change that motor, man. It tried, but it didn't like it. Unless this is blocked. It might be blocked. Okay, so it stopped working again. So
any more success?
yeah, so far I've managed to get this one working, so I know you don't have a wiring problem. But when I plugged your original one back in, it stopped working again. So I've had to reset the computer with my computer to get it to clear the fault.
Ah, okay.
And I managed to get it working. Yep, good. So come in here now. Okay, that's with the test motor on there.
Yeah.
So
Cool.
I'm gonna pull your motor out and see if it's blocked.
Okay.
There's no fuse for the washer pump. It's got the same fuse as the wipers. So as long as the wipers work, that should work. So it seems like the pump is faulty. I just got to check to see that it's not blocked before.
Could be, because when it went completely dry, it might have
Picked up some stuff here.
Yeah.
Alright,
Alright.
that's where we're at.
Cheers.
Alright, so to lift this washer bottle out, I squeeze in here with my fingers, and then I got a flat screwdriver and pushed on this tab that's locked in behind there. Okay then, so I've got this motor out here, having a quick look at it. I don't know, it just looks like it might have had it, you know. At least we've got a part number now as well. Alright, and we just go for fun. Just want to press this one more time and see what happens. I don't like it when it does that. Oh, it's not plugged in. Okay. This is actually just wasting time at this point. Not gonna lie. Let's get it out of here. That's it. So it's not a blockage in the tank. It's the motor. Okay. Because this thing just done a good spray. Let's see. Okay, ready? Let's go. Damn. Cool. Alright, so I've swapped in my one. And I forgot to plug it back in. Let's see. That's crazy. My invention that failed turned into the thing that actually got this thing working. And it's not leaking out this side, so I don't know if I could just leave it in there. You know what I mean? Anyway, I'm sure this guy's going to want the proper one in there, but I'll make him the offer and go from there. To be honest, so...
Well, the thing is, I hardly ever use the screen wash at all. I hardly ever use it, and it's only every now and then, but I've got its MOT coming up and it'll fail it, won't it, without that. So.